Namaskar. We are proud parents of Nihira Budhiraja. Nihira from a very early age had a lot of interest in nature, birds, animals. We were really impressed by her interest. To encourage her, we got her many books of containing birds, animals, and so on. And then we heard about the International Book of Records, and we applied. This is her second record. We applied for this, and we were fortunate to have been given this award for her at the age of 1 year and 9 months.
So Nihira, since she had this interest in nature, we took it as our duty to give her exposure to more and more birds. And after a due course of time of showing her those birds and their young ones, she not just started recognizing them, but she could even say the names of a lot of them. And this encouraged us to go an extra mile, and International Book of Records helped us in a big way. And we are very happy with her world record of the toddler to recognize maximum number of birds and their young ones at a tender age of 1 year 9 months. Thank you.
Thank you.
You want to see birds, huh? You want to see birds? Touch duck. Duck. Touch a very good duck. And now, just tell me, where is pigeon? Touch good. Very good girl. Pigeon. Good job. Now tell Mama, where is nightingale? Nightingale ko touch karo. Yes, where is it? Just touch it. Touch. Good job. Very good. Acha. Now who will tell Mama? Who will tell Mama where is? Now tell Mama, where is owlet? Owlet ko touch karo. Touch. Duck भी दूंगी, पहले owlet को touch करो. Good job. Now touch pelican. Pelican को touch करो. Oh, good job. Very good. Pelican. Touch kingfisher. Touch. Good job. Very good. Touch bald eagle. Yes, good job. Touch it. Touch. Good job. Very good. Okay, now tell Mama, where's duckling? Duckling. Good job. Very good. Okay, touch owl. Touch owl. Cuckoo. Touch cuckoo. Touch cuckoo. Very good. Very good. Now, will you touch owl for Mama? Owl. Good job. Very good. Okay, now tell Mama, where is ostrich? Ostrich. Touch ostrich. Ostrich. Good job. Okay, now tell Mama, where's flamingo? Flamingo. Good job. Very good. Okay, now tell Mama, where is cormorant? Cormorant. Touch it. Touch cormorant. Good job. Very good. Okay, touch crow.